everyone, you're welcome back here. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome guys. So if you're a subscriber, thank you very much for staying put. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a 15 minutes remedy that will help you so much to glow your skin, glow your face, removing all of those dark spots, and your face is going to look evenly toned. Okay, now when I said 15 minutes, I mean anytime you want to apply this, you can just scrub it out for 15 minutes, but you have to be consistent. Okay, because when it comes to dark spots on the face, it doesn't just go in one day. Yeah, and when it comes to all of this pigmentation, it doesn't just go in one day, but this is actually going to help you a whole lot. So if you want to know what all of this comprises, please do continue watching. Please share this video and thumbs up, and let me take you right into the video. For removal of age spots, dark spots and pigmentation, to have that flawless skin, you'll be needing this cucumber. Now cucumber is a great remedy guys that helps to remove all of the age related problems. So I have a half cut of cucumber, and since I'm not going to be needing too much of the cucumber, I'm going to be cutting it, and then I would have to grate it because I need just the juice. Just put that there, be cool. So now I'll have to grate it. Now you can actually use your blender to blend it. Now I'm not going to be blending because I need just the juice, so I'll grate it. Okay guys, so after that I'll have to be sieving the juice out. This is the juice that we got. We got a whole lot of juice, so we're gonna be keeping this aside. And then also we're going to be making use of potato guys. Now potato is a great ingredient that helps so much to rejuvenate the skin, brighten up the skin, because it contains a lightening property in it. Okay, so it helps to remove dark spots, age spots, and it also helps to make the skin smooth. So this is how you're going to prepare it guys. So for this particular one, I'm going to be blending it. Now I'll grab my blender, and I'm not going to be putting in no water because the potato has its own juice. Okay guys, so this is it. And I'll grab another bowl, and then I would have to now this is the potato mix, okay, because we actually need all of the full benefits. Okay guys, so the next ingredient which we're going to be needing is tomato. Now tomato is a great remedy guys. It helps to remove unwanted hair on the skin, it helps to lighten up the skin, and it is a great remedy for dark spots. So we're going to be cutting it in pieces also. Alright, so in the same blender I'm gonna be putting the tomato, okay. So this is my blended tomato, and then we're going to transfer that into another bowl. Okay, so this is the tomato. We're going to be needing some vitamin C. Okay, so we're going to be needing to use vitamin C for this remedy because it helps to remove all of the dark spots. It's smoothing out your face, and it also helps to brighten out your face. So I'm going to be putting about 5 of it into this my little mortar, and then crush it. I'll crush it really well so it will be smooth. Okay, so it's properly crushed, and this is how it looks like. Right, so this is the potato, and I'm gonna be grabbing the tomato. I'll be putting 2 tablespoons of tomato in there, and then mix it all up. These are the ingredients, and then put in 1 tablespoon of cucumber juice. That is very okay, and then we'll stir and mix it up really good. Now we'll have to reach for the vitamin C. We'll mix, and the color is actually really beautiful. Okay guys, so after doing that, then we're going to be needing to use sugar. Now because of the smaller granite particles in sugar, that's why we need it to scrub out the dead skin cells on the skin, and to help to rejuvenate the skin and make the skin look smooth, removing all age spots, dark spots, pigmentation, and give you that flawless skin. So 1 full tablespoon of sugar will be better for this, and then we'll have to mix, and not mix too well so that the sugar would not dissolve, and so it can give us that particles for us to scrub and get our skin glowing. Okay guys, so let's go use this for that dark spots, age spots, flawless skin, and a smooth and toned skin. Okay guys, so for that baby glow and a more soft skin, this is the ingredients for you guys. This is how it is. Yeah, it's actually a little the consistency kind of watery, but it shouldn't be thick because you need it to be spread all over your face. Okay, so what you do first is to dab your face, which I am going to be doing right now. Okay, so when I'm done doing that, I'll then have to mix the ingredients again because I left it for about 10 minutes, okay, to inside the refrigerator so it can get cold, chilled. Yeah, so when I apply it on my face, it's gonna be so chilling. Okay, so what I do now is that I'm gonna be taking this, and then I'm gonna be applying it onto my skin just like this. Okay, so for that baby glow skin, use this. Trust me, when you use it every day, because it's something that you can actually use every day. When you use it every day, you're gonna love it. At first, when you use it, you have to just walk your hand through your face as if you're massaging. Of course, you are massaging. Okay, or you don't do it this way. Now doing it this way is going to help to wake up the skin, and it's going to help for this ingredient to actually get into your skin really good. Yeah, and again you do that. Okay, you apply again. After you've applied it like this, then you then leave it for it to dry. Yeah, dab it in, let it dry. Yeah, okay, when that's finished drying, then you can actually wash it, or you can just use your hand to rub it like that. You're gonna see that it's gonna be falling off little by little, and all of those pigmented um, skin and all of those problems on your skin, it's equally going to be falling off with it, because this is going to give you that baby glow skin. Yeah, if you can actually apply this, repeat it at most 3 times in a week or 2 times in a week, but of course be consistent in it, you're going to see your skin really glow and polish really well. So that's it, guys. You know, apply that, rub that all over your face, scrub it just like I did, and it's gonna help you. Just like you've seen my face, I usually have a whole bunch of dark spots here and there, everywhere, scattered and all of that, and you can see just a few months it's all gone. Like, my face is flawlessly glowing and beautiful. Like, trust me, you need to see me in real life to know how it is. Okay, so if you do enjoy watching this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe here and share, and I will catch you again. Bye.